From the East Coast to the West Coast, we made it to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Thank you. Golden Gate Bridge. We are crossing it right now. Pretty amazing feeling. Getting a motorcycle over probably the most famous bridge, or one of them in the world. And she's a beaut, alright. Oh, we got a lane share. Whew, it's a good view.
So this is what happens when we ride our motorcycles. We got 2 jackets, a big backpack, another backpack, another jacket, 2 helmets.
It's bigger than our bikes.
The tiny little bikes and all of this stuff. So this is the Palace in San Francisco.
How is this in San Francisco?
It looks really beautiful, but reality is I've got 3 jackets, a backpack, and it's got 2 helmets and a huge backpack. And we're trudging along.
But this is the life of motorcyclists. It's funny because it's the opposite when we're in an RV. We just have a big vehicle that has everything in it.
And that's how steep it is.
There are 2 weddings in City Hall right now. Bride 1, bride 2. That's the full house right there, not the painted ladies, but the actual house.
This is downtown San Francisco.
Woo! It used to be the ferry building. Now they turned into a marketplace. This is Pier 39 in San Francisco, and it's cool because they have the Christmas lights up and everything. So we are about to do Lombard Street.
The windiest street.
The windiest street in the world, except it's not even the windiest street in San Francisco. But it's the popular one. So here we are.
There we go. Over here.
This is Lombard Street. Woohoo! We're doing it! San Francisco's Lombard Street. Winding and grinding. Ooh, it's definitely windy. We did it! Pretty cool.
That's it. Lombard Street. We just went all the way down. You can tell how windy it is by those cars weaving in and out.
Thank you for sailing with Alcatraz Cruises.
We're on our way to Alcatraz.
We're on the boat and almost there.
Let's not get stuck on the island.
It's not too far of a swim.
And of course, I want to
We're on
tell everybody
Alcatraz.
where to get that soap kind of money.
Scowy. Please keep us safe and help us not have any sort of ticket. Is it recording? We will miss you, Golden Gate. We will not miss your tolls. Alright, we are on the Golden Gate Bridge. This is awesome. Getting a motorcycle across a landmark. This is the, if you count the number of times we've crossed it, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8th time. And we are so blessed to be here in San Francisco. Bye-bye, Golden Gate. You're supposed to be sick. This will probably be our best parking spot ever. This is overlooking the Golden Gate Bridge and the city of San Francisco, and we are going to be sleeping here tonight.
It's gonna be really pretty when it's lit up.
Build my mansion in Georgia, just sports car up the coast of California.
Right now we're using Google Maps to navigate the Google campus. Have you ever Googled Google on Google's campus? Can't spell it right. Google. Google. Pretty cool. They have the Android garden. We're here at the Apple headquarters. About to go in the company store. Apparently this is Airbnb. Twitter, LG, Yahoo's headquarters.
Now we are at Intel.
There it is, Facebook. So that's the Warriors and the Raiders. Home of the 49ers. So now on our continued tour of the Silicon Valley, we got the employer of the online resume, LinkedIn. There's Adobe, eBay, Netflix.
Do you think like they get in trouble if they're watching Netflix?
Downtown San Jose. This is Santana Row in San Jose, and HUD just freaking test drove a Tesla automated car. This is the flagship store for Tesla. It's in San Jose, and we're rolling up in this thing. I feel like they should have valet parking only for Teslas.
All right, you ready?
Yep, we're rolling.
2, 1, hit it. Oh my
Wow. Feel like a spaceship.
Hey, no noise. Driving that or not driving the car, literally. And I'm sure like in the future this is gonna look really stupid, but right now, like you just double tap something and you go like this, no gas, no brake. Like go.
Oh my word.
You don't even take the start.
We're being driven by the Tesla.
So this is the spot at the first meeting of the UN was held May 19th, 1945. And they definitely had a good view.
So right now we are driving the RV over the Golden Gate Bridge.
She's always said like, we're not having kids until I can have a car that...
Send my kids off to ballet and sports practice. My mom always said growing up, someday cars will drive themselves. I never believed her, but I can believe her now. You're talking with your hands because you don't have to drive.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.